Hey, these are the HyperX Cloud 3S wireless gaming headphones. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the AirPod cushions, and I'll be looking inside them to show you the wiring color layout and the overall construction. I've made several detailed videos about repairing these headphones that you can definitely check out. But for now, let's get some background music going and start the disassembly.